Something unusual is happening on social media, and animated animals are at the center of it, captivating millions and racking up views, shares, and earnings like never before. Ever wonder how much cash these videos are pulling in? These characters have taken the internet by storm, combining mysterious storytelling, haunting visuals, and mind-bending twists that leave audiences hooked, guessing, and eager to share. One reason these videos are so popular today is because animated animals are instantly appealing. Their cute, familiar faces draw viewers in. But it's the unexpected suspense, shocking twists, and fast-paced cliffhangers that keep people hooked, making them perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But did you know these videos are surprisingly easy to make? With a creative idea and AI animation tools available online, you can create content just like this. In fact, you could be making viral videos and earning money from it. Stick around until the end of this video to learn how to create your own and start your journey as an animated animals creator today. Step 1. Creating characters. To create characters, I'll be using ChatGPT. To begin, we'll use ChatGPT to help design our characters. Let's aim for cute and appealing designs. I've decided on 4 characters: a blue turtle, a white rabbit, an orange cat, and a yellow chick. Before finalizing their creation, it's important to have a clear visual idea of what each character should look like. We'll ask ChatGPT to generate detailed prompts for these characters to guide their visual design. Each character will wear a necklace featuring a heart-shaped metal charm engraved with the words "Tiny Scouts." What I entered here is generate detailed prompts for these characters: a blue turtle, a white rabbit, an orange cat, and a yellow chick. They are adorable and in 3D Pixar style. Each character will wear a necklace featuring a heart-shaped metal charm engraved with the words "Tiny Scouts." In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate individual prompts for each character you request. Be sure to copy and paste them into your document for future reference. Step 2. Creating images. To create the images, we'll use PicLumen AI. PicLumen AI is a powerful image generation tool that transforms text prompts into stunning, high-quality visuals. Known for its wide range of styles, from hyper-realistic to anime and digital art, it delivers impressive detail and accuracy. With advanced AI models and intuitive controls, PicLumen makes it easy to create professional-looking images quickly, making it ideal for artists, designers, and content creators. As you can see, people are generating amazing images using this advanced AI tool. And the best part, you can generate unlimited images with this AI tool 100% free of cost. To start to PicLumen, click Generate for free. After logging in, click on the Create button. Copy the prompts of your character. Now paste the prompt here. And at the end of the prompt, add 3D Pixar style to generate cartoon images instead of realistic ones. After that, click on this button and select the Flux 1 model, and in the Dimensions section, select the ratio 16:9, and set the quantity to 2 to generate 2 image variations at a time, then click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, PicLumen will generate 2 image variations based on the prompt we provided. As you can see, PicLumen has generated 2 variations of the same prompt, and the result is just incredible. PicLumen has included all the details, exactly as we specified in the prompt, which is why it's generating such amazing images. Generate all your prompt until you already have all the images you need for the story. Continue generating prompts until you have all the images needed for your project. To download the images you'd like to use, just click the arrow below each one and save it to your computer. Step 3. Image to video. We'll use Hilo AI to bring our images to life. Hilo AI is a creative tool that transforms still images into dynamic videos using advanced AI animation techniques. It allows users to animate characters, scenes, or concepts with lifelike motion, making it ideal for storytelling, content creation, and visual projects. Hailuo AI offers 100 free credits to all users, and the best part, these credits renew every day. This means you can generate high-quality videos daily without any cost. It offers features like image-to-video conversion, text-to-video generation, and subject reference for consistent character appearances. Since we already have the images, I will click on Image to Video to proceed. After that, click here to upload the image. Click this button to specify the camera movements. You can test all of these camera movements and select the one that best suits your visuals. This will add a stunning cinematic effect to your video, making it more engaging and dynamic. After that, I will add some keywords here to guide Hailuo AI in generating the expected visuals. After that, I'll click the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the video, but the result is incredible. But if you want to generate videos faster, you'll need to purchase a subscription package, starting at $10 per month. But you can also use this tool for free by generating more videos with multiple Gmail accounts. And the best part? You can submit up to 3 tasks at a time, and the videos will continue generating even if you exit the page. So these are the videos that I created in Hailuo AI. They are amazing, right? To download them, click the arrow down at the right side of the video and save them to your desktop. Place them in one folder. Now that we have our video clip, it's time to start editing. I'll be using CapCut for this. CapCut is a free and user-friendly video editing app that offers powerful tools like trimming, transitions, filters, text, and music, making it easy to create professional-looking videos on mobile or desktop. Open CapCut on your computer. You can also use any other video editing software you have available. Click on New Project, then select Import to add all the video clips you want to include in your project. Next, drag all your video clips onto the timeline. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the standard format for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. This ensures your video is optimized for all major short-form platforms, helping you reach a wider audience. As you can see, the video clip doesn't automatically fill the screen. You can fix this by adjusting the scale. Simply increase it until the video fits the frame properly. I duplicated some of my video clips to create additional scenes with different playback speeds. Then, I added background music. Just go to the audio section and browse for music that fits your video. CapCut offers a wide selection of background tracks and sound effects to choose from. Next, add sound effects by going to Audio, then selecting Sound Effects. You can search for the specific sound effect you need by typing it into the search bar. Then, drag the sound effect onto the timeline below the video clip, placing it exactly where you want it to play.
Wow.
And when you're done, review your project, make sure you're satisfied with the video, audio, and effects on the timeline. Play it back to check for any final adjustments. Next, click the Export button located in the top right corner. Choose a resolution of 1080 pixels and a frame rate of 30 frames per second to ensure good video quality. Then, Click Export to start the process. The export may take a few minutes depending on the length and quality of your video. Once it's done, you can save the video to your computer or upload it directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram from within CapCut. Check out the videos I made earlier with our characters.
I can do this. I'm ready to work hard.
Your laughter like a gentle breeze brings me to life, puts my soul at ease. My child, you're my shining star, guiding me through
Endure the hardships.
near and far.
My precious one, from the
I see
moment I first held you, my world changed forever.
So those are short videos, each under 20 seconds long. Those are good for TikTok, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You might be wondering, so where's the yellow chick? The yellow chick is still off on her adventure. She travels to an island and appears in my 3-minute animated video. So be sure to subscribe to this channel to see how she comes to life in a short, fun adventure that's perfect for YouTube Shorts. That's all for now. In the next video, we'll learn how to create a 3-minute animated video, a format that's become a popular niche on YouTube Shorts. See you then. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.